Power set. Power set, let us define this. If the set of all possible subset of a given set is called power set, it means if we combine all the subsets of a set, then that is known as power set. For example, no, the notation symbol for power set of A. If A is a set, then its a power set will be denoted by P of A. If we have here set B, so here will be power P of
Yes.
B. If here it is A, so there will be P of A. And if here it is B, there will be B as well. Now, let we have an example. Set A contains A, B, C. How many elements are there in set A?
Three.
Three,
Three.
yes. So subset mean a small set. So how many small set we can we can define from A? You know, empty set is the empty set, that is the subset of each and every set.
Sir, 9.
So we can make
9. Can you make all the subset of this set A? First empty set, then write
Yes, sir.
A separately, B separately, and C alone. Then first we wrote in
AB.
separate mode A, B, and C. Then two in pair A, B, and AC. Then BC, and finally all the elements. Are you getting or not?
so we
Yes,
get
sir.
Okay. First, empty set is the subset of each and every set. Take A here. Okay. B and C separately. B and C separately. Then take AB. Then BC. And finally A, B, and C. So these are all the possible subsets of set A. If we combine, here these are not combined. If we combine all of these, then we will get power set. This is not power set now. You know power set? Power set. It contains all the possible subset empty A, B, C, A, B, C. If you write all these sets, all these subsets in this bracket, then it is said to be power set. So here power set of P is here. Got it? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now moving to the next slide. Let me clear my screen. Now we have an example here. Find the number of subsets of the following sets. If we are given a set and we have to find number of subsets, this the very first one. The first set, how many elements are there in this set?
One.
1.
One. So number of elements in set B is 1. How many subset will be there?
Yes. 2.
Reason?
Empty set on itself.
Well, empty set and 0. So power set of B will contain 0, empty and 0. Means the formula is for this we have a formula to find the number of subsets. That is 2 to the power n. N are the elements in the set. In this set there is only one element. So this n will be 1. So 2 power 1 is 2. That's why there are 2. समझ आ गया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
समझ आ
sir.
गया.
Okay. The second one, this C. Now, these are the power set. This is the power set. This power set contains 0 and empty. Now, going to the next slide. Here we have, in the previous slide, we have seen C contains how many
Set.
elements? 2. C contains 2 elements. So 2 power 2 is the formula to find all the subsets.
4.
2 power 2 is 4. If the set contains 3 elements, so 2 power 3. If the set contains 10 elements, so 2 power 10. Then multiply 2 into
3.
2 into 2 into 2,
6.
10 times. Here we have only 2 power 2, 2 times. There were in C, that was 1, 2. Empty 1, 2, and 1, 2. First empty, then write separately 1 and 2, then combine 1, 2. So these are this is the possible subset, all the possible subsets. So now going to this D. D contains 3 elements. So how many subset will be there? How many subsets will be there?
2, 3, 2, 3. 6.
No.
So 2 power what?
12, sir.
No,
12.
2 power what is the
12.
formula? The
2
formula is?
power 2 power 3. So 12.
Yes, 2 power 3 means 2
4,
multiply 2 multiply 2. You will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are
8.
8.
8. 8. 8.
Yes, so the number of all possible subsets of this set will be
8.
8. Yes, and there was in D, A, B, C. First write A, B. First write A, B, and C, then AB, then BC, and finally AC. Sorry, AC. And at the end, all the elements ABC. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the formula is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, moving to the next slide. There are operations on set. By operations of set, we mean Do you know a union and intersection?
Yes, sir.
Union of sets. In union of sets, we write all the elements in the set, but the repeated elements are ones. What we do in the union of two sets, we combine both the sets. In union of a set, we combine sets. For example, set A contains A, B, C, D, and set B contains B, C, D, E, F. So what will be its union?
Sir,
Yes,
A, B, C, D, E, F.
yes. The procedure is A, B, C, D of the first, and here B, C, D, E, and F. If the elements are repeated, so remove the one. A, there is no A, okay. B, there is B, remove this one. It is okay. C, here is C, there is C, remove this one. This is okay. D is here and there, remove this one. E and F. So your answer is A, B,
A, B,
C,
Sir,
E, F.
C, D, E, F.
Yes. So the now the slide will tell its answer, that is A union B. So A union B contains A, B, C, D, E, F. Here it is F. There that is F, which is not clear in the screen, on the screen. This is F, last one, and there is bracket. What we do in the union of set? We combine all the elements in a single set. So this single set is known as union.
Of two sets.
समझ आ रहा है?
Union.
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Intersection. The next slide is the intersection of sets. In the intersection of sets, what we do?
Sir, intersect mean common. We will search two set or three set, the common one.
Yes, in the intersection of sets, we take only the common elements and the symbol, the notation used for the intersection, that is U, upside down. U. Okay.
Yes.
This symbol is known as intersection, which is the upside down U, means OLED U. Now, this is the definition, but the definition is not important. We have example. Example A. For example, if A contains A, B, C, D, B contains B, C, D, E, F. So, is there any common element in these two?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir. B and D.
Let me
B,
check.
C, D,
C, D.
C.
B, C, D.
B, C,
A.
D.
So there is no A. A crossed. B, here is B, there is B. Yes.
So there is
C D
C, yes. D,
and C, D,
yes.
sir.
B is there
Yes.
and D is there.
E is not there, F is not there. So your answer will be B and B. Take one B. C here and there. So take one C. And D is also common.
B,
So
C,
the
D.
B, C,
B.
D.
B, C, D is the
B,
answer
C,
of
D.
the, yes, B, C, D is your answer. Okay. So this was all about the union and intersection and power
Yes.
sets.